earn $150 just typing names easily. Now, if you're looking to actually make some extra money online, then make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. I recently came across this video on YouTube stating that you could earn $150 just by typing names easily. So I've gone and actually tested it to prove whether it is possible to actually earn $150 just by typing names. So I'm going to go through step by step the processes that they say you have to follow in order to make this money. And we're going to be finding out at the end of the video whether it is worth your while, whether you can actually earn this sort of money just by typing names. Hi, my name is Martin from martinburt.online. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about making money online. So if this interests you, make sure you obviously subscribe to the channel right now and hit that notification bell just so you can get notified every time we make a new video. Just recently, I started a series of videos about where I actually went and actually tested what other people have claimed that they have earned on their videos. And I checked out this video right here and whether you could actually earn $150 just by typing names. So without further ado, let's jump across to the desktop and start going through exactly what they said in the video, follow it step by step and find out whether it is true and whether you can make that money. Okay, so the site they tell us to actually go and use is a site called Talent Desire. And as you can see here, it says here, your dream career starts now. Work with popular brands, earn money online from home without investing a dime. And it says obviously get started here. And that's very true. You don't have to pay to join this website. So what they are stating in that video is totally true, that you can actually do this and start without any investment whatsoever. So this is basically how it works. It says obviously you absorb jobs and it says that these are available worldwide, and it also says then you can get work and you can get hired, you can start your work and you can collect your earnings, and you can use payment process such as PayPal and Payoneer, and even a wire transfer directly to a bank. So far all looking good. Now this is the sort of jobs you can actually do, and the one we're going to look at and the one they checked in the video is online typing job. So that's the one we're going to be looking at. That's the one they state that you can earn actually $150 very easily. So this is more about the online jobs here. Now there are certain requirements that you have to meet, and it says you do have to have a basic knowledge of internet and English. There's a minimum of 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed on the computer, and you will need obviously a high speed internet connection. It says also you must be at least 16 years or above and must have a secondary or high school diploma. It says the joining fees, registration is absolutely free and there is no hidden costs before or after joining. And it says here you will need to meet the 98 to 99.99% accuracy. If your accuracy is below 98%, the work will be returned and full payments are withheld until you resubmit the work. So you will need to be pretty proficient, like I say, at English and obviously typing. Now, if you want to actually find out how fast you are at typing, they also give you this website here where you can actually go and get a certificate that will tell you how good you are at typing. And this is called Ratatype. It says here, type faster, learn to type faster with Ratatype Typing Tutor. Take your typing lessons for free. So this is a great way that you can actually improve your typing, which when you actually go back onto here, you will find that the more you can type, the more work you can actually do, which is very true. They pay you more if you can type quicker. So again, that holds true. And obviously all you do here is it says you test your speed. So you can click on that. And this is it. You get your typing certification test. Type in the words here for your test. So I'm going to quickly go and do that. So I went and took this test, and to be honest, it was more difficult than I thought it was going to be. I thought my typing was okay, but as you can see from these results, I was falling short quite a bit. And my best one was this one here, where I nearly actually got the certification. Now, the reason why I didn't get the certification is Talent Desire only needs you to actually be able to type 30 words per minute. To get this typing certificate test, as you will see from this, you will need to get 40 words per minute with 96% accuracy in order to get the certificate. talent desire, you're going to need to be hitting the 98% accuracy, which you can see on here. Definitely check out Ratatype first before you actually go apply for any of these jobs, because this will give you an idea of whether you can actually get towards that 30 words per minute with that 98% accuracy. So let's just go and show you how you can actually apply for the talent desire. So how you want to actually apply, you go to current openings and then you scroll down, you find online typing jobs. Now this is very difficult to actually locate, so make sure you stay with me on the video here. If you scroll right down to the bottom and you click the apply now, and then you want to do step 1, select an application form, and then you want an online application form. And then it says here, fill in your details to apply to work with us. Now, so you need to accept the privacy policy here, and then just fill in your name, last name, email, contact number, your residency. And like I say, this is a worldwide opportunity. And as you can see, there are loads of different countries registered here that will allow you to apply for this job. Now, they say in the video as well that for your preferred job title, you want to put professional data entry specialist. They also say in the video you want to do all day as the best time for you. And then you can obviously, the best way of earning, which would be PayPal for me, but you've also got Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, or Skrill. Put yes, I've read the terms and conditions. Make sure you add in your name here for your signature, and click I am not a robot, and then you can click submit. And that's it. And they will come back to you when you've applied and see whether you have actually been accepted into the talent desire actual workforce. Now, before we go, obviously this website was saying that you could actually earn $150, and it also says that you could earn $15 per 300 words. You could just like literally be typing names. And I'm not quite sure where they got that from, because we don't know what the jobs are going to entail. These jobs could be totally different things. Most of the time, it's going to be transcribing and typing up other stuff. So that's why you've got to have good typing skills. Now, it says on the page here that we offer to pay up to $13,500 to $27,000 per year as your skills and experience will grow, your bank balance will grow. And it says here you've got a guaranteed work should be a minimum of $1,125 per month. Now this may not be a full-time enough for a full-time income for some people, but certainly for extra income, over $1,000 per month is going to be a good earner. Let's just have a look at the actual pay rates. So they were saying that you could actually earn $15 for typing 300 words. Well, as you can see on here, that's not the case. So they have been a little bit overestimated on the amount you can actually earn. It says here as a beginner. Now, I would be a beginner because I'm only typing the 30 words per minute. Now, if you can get up to 40, 50 words per minute, then you could obviously be an expert here where you would actually earn 20 cents per word. And that would mean you would earn $6 when you actually type 300 words in a page. It's under half of what they actually said. And obviously, if you're a beginner, you're only going to earn $3 per 300 words. And when it says here 15 pages per day, so that's 6 hours per day. So as a beginner, you're only going to earn about $45 per day. And that's if you've got the whole 6 hours work that you're doing. You're way off the $150. Doesn't state whether you're earning that per day or whatever, but it does state for 300 words. So definitely you're not going to be getting that sort of figure here with this particular job, even if you are an expert. So wrapping up and finding out exactly what I found. Obviously, yes, this is a legit job. You can earn money. No, you can't actually earn, according to this website, you can't earn the $15 per 300 words that they state in the video, but you can earn something. Now, it's a question of whether you're going to get enough jobs here, because this may obviously not give you enough jobs to actually do a full-time income. But like I say, they do guarantee, if you get accepted, they do guarantee you just over $1,100 per month, which is not bad at all. I would certainly recommend Ratatype to go and get your certificate. This also gives you the tuition you need to actually type faster as well. So this site is a must-have if you want to actually go and check out Talent Desire for these online typing jobs. Like I say, always do your own due diligence on any of these sites. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next. And if you haven't already, make sure you actually subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.